This is a demonstration of what's called block and tackle. It's simply a set of pulleys. Sailors call each individual pulley a block, and so I think that's how this name block and tackle came about. Anyway, it's a set of pulleys, and the thing to notice is how many strings are actually supporting the load. So if we count the strings that are supporting the load, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means that this weight is being shared by 7 strings. The approximate mass, the approximate weight is 70 newtons. So we'll find out the reality and the practice in a moment. First of all, we're going to set up and find out the distances involved. So starting from here, we want to have this go up 50 centimeters. I remove the bathroom scale that I used to weigh it. 50 centimeters will be up to the table. So 50 centimeters is going to be this level of this table surface. So in order to measure how far I've pulled, I'm going to put a piece of tape to mark where the string is coming off the pulley right now. Right there. So that's the marker, and then we'll see how far the string goes. So I'm ready to start pulling. So that's probably close enough. Now I need to measure, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put another piece of tape on, because if it slips, I will still be able to keep track of it. I'm going to put another piece of tape, measure between the 2 pieces. And I have a tape measure ready to do that. Here we go. So we have 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, 3.5 meters. Now, that should actually make total sense, because in order to raise this 50 centimeters or half a meter, every single one of these strings has to get shorter by 50 centimeters, half a meter. But they're all connected, and so this one that I pull has to change by 3.5 meters, which it did. So that part of it is working as it's supposed to. But there's the other part of it, which is how much easier did it actually make doing this job of raising this bowling ball. Remove this first, and then we'll get the scale, in which you can see how much force I'm using. So down again, and get the scale, which will show how much force is being used to pull it. Ideally, 70 newtons, 7 strings, this should be only 10 newtons. But the reality may be somewhat different. If I connect this here, you'll be able to see, once I pull it steadily, you'll be able to see how much force it's taking. About 30. Right. So this is a very inefficient machine, unfortunately. It does make the work of lifting this a little bit easier, but not much. And you sure had moved a long way. So a class can use this data then to calculate the efficiency